Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. I've got a video on how to run a water level or how to build one, and I'm using that water level. I use colored water, so I'm showing you how to put the colored, make the water colored so it'll show up in your water level, which has clear tubes. So this came from Dollar General for like $1.20, $1.40. This water, spring water. This also came from Dollar General. You get a packet of 4. We did purple yesterday. You have orange. So we're just going to use a dark green. You put the gel, a liberal amount, because you want the color of the water to be able to be seen in the hose. I've had people ask if they could put Kool-Aid in there and things like that. If you put anything with sugars and things like that, it'll probably stick to the inside of the hose and get dirty quicker. Although the hose with age starts getting hard to see through. But this is so you can see where the water is. Say this is your clear hose. You can see where the water level is. It's not just, and especially in dim areas like underneath the house where we're getting ready to go, this is what you do. So you use that gel, food coloring, and a gallon of water, and I keep this in the trailer until I run out. Hopefully I remember when I run out. But anyway, we're going to carry this underneath with us to fill the water. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.